Hi friends. Today we will learn how to make stories using a video in Bannerboo. By the way, you can choose a ready-made template from our template library. For this, we only need to choose the size we need. Now let's create our banner. To do this, click the Create button. If you choose the wrong size, you can always change it in the left panel in the Settings menu. Let's choose our story's format 1080 by 1920 pixels. Good. For example, let's create stories about a music party. To begin with, we will add a video. To do this, go to the video library in the left panel. Here, in the search field, write club and select several videos. To watch any video, just hover over it. To add a video to the workspace, simply click on it. After adding, transform and place it on our workspace. After adding the videos, let's place them within the time of our story, which means 15 seconds. Now let's look at the result we got. Perfectly. Let's add text to our stories. Go to the text menu and select the desired one. Let's write Friday night party as an example. Great, now let's add a call to action, that is, a swipe icon, using the library of vector objects, namely animated ones. In the search field, write swipe and select the option we need. Now let's add an improvised logo using the icons library. Let's add a little more contrast between our text and video part. To do this, go to the Shape library and add a black rectangle. We will add an opacity of 40% to the rectangle and place it between our text and video parts on the timeline. Now let's add animation to our text on the in and out animations and set the fade effect. Let's look at the intermediate result. Super! It's time to add the audio. To do this, let's go to our audio libraries. To listen to a track, just hover over it. Click to add a track to our composition. Now let's stretch the audio to the full time and add an in and out fade effect so that our audio smoothly increases in volume during viewing. Now let's see how the audio fell on our video sequence. As we can see, the intro of our audio is a bit long, so let's start it somewhere around 8 seconds. Perfectly. Don't forget to save our banner by pressing Ctrl+S. To export our stories, click the Publish button in the upper right corner of the editor. Here we choose the Convert to MP4 option and wait until the rendering of our video is finished. If the download did not start automatically, we can click on the link in the pop-up window under our Publish button. Now let's see our final result in the preview. You can share this preview with friends, colleagues, or clients. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Have a lovely day, and see you in the next videos.